Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a ground beef puff pastry. The ingredients that you're going to need today are garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper. I'm using adobo seasoning. You can use the seasoning of your choice. We're going to need olive oil, 1 egg, mozzarella cheese, 1 pound of ground beef, onion, garlic cloves, and also a pack of puff pastry. Okay guys, now you want to put your ground beef into a bowl. I have a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of adobo seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Now guys, you can use the seasoning that you would like and how much you would like for your ground beef. I also have a half a cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now all we're going to do is put our seasoning into the bowl with the ground beef. And then you're just going to mix it until everything is well incorporated. Okay guys, once you mix your seasoning well into your ground beef, we're going to heat up our pan and we're going to put our 2 tablespoons of olive oil in, and we're going to saute our onion and garlic. Okay guys, I have my olive oil heating up. So now I'm just going to add in the onion and also my minced garlic. And we're just going to saute that for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, now all I did was add in our ground beef. And we're just going to continue to break that up until it's all well incorporated with the onion and garlic. And we're going to cook it until everything is nice and brown. Okay guys, once your ground beef is done, all we're going to do is drain the grease from it. And we're going to sit it to the side to cool off. Okay guys, while our ground beef is cooling off, I have our egg that's going to be for the wash. I have our mozzarella cheese, and you want to grab a baking sheet and put a piece of parchment paper on and open your puff pastry and prepare that. Okay guys, once you've unrolled your puff pastry onto your parchment paper, all you want to do is make cuts. You want to leave a space, a big enough space to pack your meat on, and all you want to do is make some cuts just like this with a very sharp knife all the way across to the edge. Okay guys, next all you want to do is spoon your meat onto the puff pastry. Make sure you leave a little space at each end. Okay guys, next you want to go ahead and add your mozzarella cheese or the cheese of your choice, and then we're going to begin to roll our puff pastry. Okay guys, as you can see, I started from the back. And all you do is pull your puff pastry over. When you come to the end, all you want to do is fold it in. Fold each end over, and then we're going to continue to roll. Okay guys, as you can see, the meat and cheese is nicely tucked away. So now what we're going to do is take our egg wash and just go along and brush it on to our puff pastry. Make sure you cover it very well. Don't forget the back end of it. And we're going to go along also on our strips. Okay guys, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, all we're going to do is take our strips and go over our puff pastry, just like so. And you continue to go through your whole pastry like that. Okay guys, once you have it wrapped, all you want to do is go ahead and take your egg wash once again, and we're just going to go over everything and have it nicely coated. And once you're done that, you can go into the oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees. Okay guys, I'm ready to put it in the oven. I will see you back here in 30 minutes. Okay guys, 30 minutes is up. I wanted to show you how beautiful this came out. This is nice and golden before I transfer it onto a cutting board so I can show you guys what the inside looks like. Okay guys, here we go. I'm just going to cut down. Look how pretty that looks, guys. Okay guys, this looks and smells delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please come back, please like, and please subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.